Xiaomi is gearing up to launch its next flagship product, the Xiaomi Mi 7 in 2018. The smartphone is rumored to come with a 16 plus 16 megapixel dual rear camera setup with an aperture of f1.7. Under the hood, the device will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 SoC with 8 GB of RAM. It will have 64 GB internal memory, expandable up to 128 GB via a micro SD card slot. The Mi 7 will have Adreno 540 GPU. The smartphone is expected to have a 6.01-inch bezel-less display with 18:9 aspect ratio, which will be made by Samsung. Connectivity options included are USB Type-C, Bluetooth, GPS, Wi-Fi hotspot, and dual SIM, nano SIM. Rumors suggest that the Xiaomi Mi 7 will be priced at around 2,999 yuan for the 6 GB variant, which is approximately Rs 29,369. Xiaomi Mi 7 is rumored to be launched in April 2018 and is expected to run on Android 7.1 OS. The smartphone is expected to be made available in 3 color options, that is gold, gray, silver, and will have a built-in fingerprint sensor as the primary security feature, along with the host of connectivity options in terms of 3G, 4G, GPS, Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth capabilities. The phone will come with 64 GB of internal storage. As far as the specifications are concerned, the smartphone is tipped to be powered by 2.4 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor. The phone in all probability will come with a large 3950 mAh battery to support its 5.7-inch screen with AMOLED capacitive display having a resolution of 2560 by 1440 at 401 ppi. The screen is expected to be protected by a durable scratch-resistant glass.